Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It is January 5th, the first full trading week of the year. Hopefully, you guys are as excited as I am to trade today. We're going to try making some money from our lips to God's ears. We're going to stay safe in the markets. And with that being said, I'm getting ready to go over what the market's really doing so we can see if we're going to look for some trades, everything like that. I'm just finalizing, get everything set up on my end over here. So, looking at the charts right now, we are currently above the VWAP, above the 21 EMA. The close from Friday, let's see where that's at. All the way down there at 394.50. 394.50, that's the close from Friday. So we're going to see what we get. We do have a pivot point up above us at 710 and a pivot below us down at 487. So I feel like the 600 levels, this is an area that we need to pay attention to today because there's been a lot of resistance and everything like that in this area. So the 600 area. So let's just pay attention and we're going to keep it moving. Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, everybody. How we feeling today, gentlemen? Let me see how the audio sounded on the tube stream. Gotta make sure we're sounding crispy.
Crispy.
Good morning, Steve. Crypto, good morning.
You saw the picture I sent you, right?
I did not. You sent me a picture.
You little...
Let's see. Why am I not popping up? All right, I feel like there's still an echo. Like, I gotta get this figured out.
Well, you know, every step is compressing it. So the YouTube has its own compression thing. So you might have like something in there that you can adjust.
Yeah.
I'll tell you more when you look at the picture I sent you, sucker.
Good morning, BP. I probably, honestly, because I have so many different scenes on my OBS, I may just have to come in here and clear them all out and put them all back together. The two scenes I actually use. OBS. Rohan, I'm using OBS for my streaming. I just hate that slight echo in the background of the YouTube stream right now. I don't have it for the Traders Hangouts. It's only for these mornings for the most part. It's weird. Well, how was everyone's weekend? Mine was pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, you were having a good old time.
I was just resetting everything like that. Oh, the one that you guys are seeing, Rohan, that's Ninja Trader. That's the platform I execute my trades on. I'll pull down that just slightly.
Yeah, I sent it to you on your phone.
Okay, I'll pull it up in a second here. I had a busy weekend.
I sent two pictures, actually.
All right, I can focus now for the most part. Well, I'm ready to make some money today. I'm pulling it up now, so you see what you sent your boy here.
Well, look at the top one first, because I had that same thing. I was just like, this was fun.
Yeah, I took your picture. I just put the city in front of you. That's what I did there. That's crazy.
I know, it was like it matched like that picture like from the past. Nothing like getting shredded, eh, Duane?
Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm back on my cardio grind. I gotta get this weight off. I gotta get this weight off before next month.
Look,
So.
I believe in you. I know that this is like an opportunity for a reset in more ways than one. And so
it's for me personally, I've never had an issue working out. It's always cardio for me is a love-hate relationship. I love the results from it, but I hate doing it.
well, like any methodology that's like leaving anything out, like if it's only weights and no cardio, or only cardio no weights, is like kind of missing that point again and again. Like that picture of me was when I was 41 years old, dude.
Yeah.
So I mean, just I rest my case.
Real quick before the market opens here, people. We currently are above the VWAP. We're currently above the 21 EMA. We do have news today at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news today. But just so you know, the 21 EMA currently sitting right at the pretty much 25,600. VWAP currently sitting at 513.50. So mark that on your chart as well. We got a pivot point. We have a pivot point down at 487.50 and a pivot point above us up at 710.25. And then the biggest kicker of them all, we gapped up. The close from Friday, 394.50, 394.50. So we got some working space today. We're going to see what we get. I'll be waiting the first 15 minutes like usual to execute my trades. And then from there, it's going to be on and popping. Rahan, you could go on their website if you have an account with them. You could go on their mobile version, just over the internet. They don't have an app in the Play Store, I don't believe. They do have an app for the software on like regular computers, but I'm not sure about the Play Store. DL, good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning. Well, good morning, Legacy. Good morning, YouTube. First day, well, not the first day, first full week of 2026 for trading. And your boy's excited. Your boy is over here excited to make some money with y'all today.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mitch.
Good morning. Good morning. How you doing?
Another day in paradise, brother. Another day in paradise.
Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it.
Marcus Maker. We got a fake name. Malachi, what's up, bro? Good morning. Oh, let me not do that. Computer just went black for a second. I hadn't touched it in a few minutes. I should probably change that. Oh, there we go.
Don't start getting weird right before 9.
I know. That's all. Hold up. Let's not do this. Let's not do this. Oh, man. Today, people, remember, you have an entire year to make profits at trading. There is no reason to rush today. Zero reason to rush. So just keep that in mind so that way you're not jumping in the market too early because you just feel like there's no time. You have plenty of time this year. Plenty of time.
he's like the market open.
There's market open. Ding, ding, ding. I gotta get a little bell that I can click, so that way it just does it. Malachi is going good, bro. How was the yacht? Oh man, the markets are moving. Yeah, I gotta wait the first 15 minutes.
You don't got to, but you will. So respect to you, but stop complaining.
Oh, I'm not complaining. Listen, I'm dialed. Like I'm so dialed for 2026 here.
I went to Winter Park and they had those the big douchey Porsche with the wings on them, and I could have stood up next to him and said I make all my money trading and stood next to somebody else's car and went on YouTube. But I didn't do that, did I? Because I'm not a poser.
And that's why people love you, Steve. You're not a poser, sir. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, sir.
Super Brett.
Ooh, how we gonna respond? We got 10 o'clock news today. 10 o'clock news. Good morning, is. Malachi, you're having way too much fun, bro. Hopefully you feel better.
Sarah, that 2 minute where it's like the candle top's like cut off there, right at like 6. What was it? Like 6:45. That's pretty incredible. It's like talk about resistance is right there.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Like the bear stepped in pretty strong right there.
Area of liquidity.
Copy. Well, just be careful with all that stuff, Malachi, especially with the meds and potential alcohol. Sometimes it's not a good mix.
Wait, what the hell is he doing? Meds and alcohol?
No. He's not doing anything crazy. Nothing crazy.
Did it Keith Richards diet? I mean, what is that?
No, he had an injury. All right. Well, we did gap up, people. We did gap up. Close from Friday's 394.50. 394.50. So with this strong pull coming down, right? The strong pull coming down right now, we may end up building out us a nice little bear flag.
Duane would like a flag, but he wants it to wait until the 15 minutes is up.
Exactly. I need the market to hold. I need it to wait for me, but we already know how the market makers act sometimes.
Where is that retracement?
Where's Moose when you need him? Yeah, tons of selling pressure right now. Tons of selling pressure. Look at that wick on the... Oh, that's the 1 minute. Let me jump over to the 2 minute here. See what the 2's looking like. I gotta start doodling so I can stay safe in the markets right now from not just jumping in. Because trust me, your boy's seeing some momentum here. Woo. Gets your boy excited. Mitch, I don't know what you're laughing at, sir. I don't know what you're laughing at, bro.
Oh, man. I was getting cracked up by your comments.
Yeah, I'm getting excited, bro. I gotta... Oh, let me not do that. I gotta just... I had to hear the click. Let me put on my other computer so that way I'm not clicking something I don't want to be clicking.
Yeah, I heard the chuckle of Moose.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Moose. We're watching the retracement, sir.
That's what I'm looking at right now. Right now. I think it was a little too crazy for me right now.
Oh, this is this is what I like to see. Dylan, we most likely will, but we gotta get away from the 600 level. The 600 level coming into the new year was a key area of support and resistance, so we gotta be careful around 600.
Chopped up or chopped out?
Yeah, Malachi, everything's been good. Everything's been good. Excited to be trading in 2026.
Question: Does your candles look like they're lagging a little bit, like they're moving slow?
No.
They look like they have like a fraction of a second like lagging a little bit, but I'm still on time though. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's weird. I'm not seeing that on my end over here.
Mine did that this morning. Then I just changed my connection. It's been accurate since.
I think that because I'm on Wi-Fi or whatever it's called, right?
Mm.
And but I think I gotta renew my
Oh, this momentum! So I can't look. VWAP 543.75, 543.75 for the VWAP. Let's see if we come down and tap it here.
Oh my God! Yeah, see what other.
I want to see a nice little flag. My favorite line, I know, but the flags pay the bills, people.
Flag right. God dang.
We had a small little flag print right here, but that's the 1 minute. Your boy wants to see a flag. Kiki, good evening for you and it's good morning for us, since you're like 10 hours ahead of us. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets this morning or evening for you. Yeah, I'm trying to print another bear flag potentially here on that 1 minute, but I want to see a flag on a higher time frame currently so I can feel a little bit better. I do not like this bottom buying wick of this current candle.
Five-minute candle says it all.
Sorry, I'm reading out loud.
We all do that sometimes. I sometimes count on my hands. What can I say?
It's too early for morning drama. Getting cut off instantly.
I count on my hands. My mom, she's a teacher, and she's like, "Why are you counting at the end to touch stuff?" And now I'm like,
All right, listen. If it's working, it's working. That's it for me.
I got the number right.
You know what I used to do? You ever heard of the knuckles? If it lands on the knuckle, it's like 30 days, and off the knuckles, 31 days. You ever heard of that?
No.
Oh, so these feature like, let's say January, February, March, April, right? Whatever knuckle, whatever month fell on a knuckle, it believed it had 31 days, right? So I would do that, and then my teacher would be like, "Why are you touching your knuckles so much?" It was the same thing, like, a little trick we learned.
All right, the Bears are trying to make this a bear flag here. They're trying. They want to bring it lower here. I feel like they're going to try to bring it at least to the VWAP. At least to the VWAP. Ooh, we need to make some monies a day. I'm trying to get another payout. I took a payout over the weekend from Tradeify, but I gotta take some more payouts this week. So I gotta put $300. I already hit the profit target. I just need to make $300 more so I can hit the micro scalping, get under the micro scalping rule that they have. Malachi, if it works, bro. Kiki, great job on the 5% gain today. Congrats on that. Just so everyone knows, we're currently outperforming channels with over 5,000 subscribers. Just so the people on YouTube know. Thank you for tuning in, hanging out with me for the evenings and these mornings trading sessions, because we're straight crushing as a collective, and I appreciate it.
Let's go.
You know, it's crazy putting up numbers like we have over 5,000 subscribers and we're not even at 1,000 yet. That's the crazy part. So when we're at the 5,000, it's going to be even crazier.
Bro's got that motion on the internet.
Here comes the VWAP. Oh, there's the VWAP tab right there. Crib, it's definitely possible, bro. Like, you stay consistent with this, it will change your life. That's why I'm preaching so much about it. Because especially in today's climate, people need a solution. And trading done right is the solution. If you do it wrong, it's not the solution. But if you use a simple strategy each and every day in the markets, you will be able to print money for yourself. With no boss, no customers, no employees, just yourself.
No crappy HR, DEI bullshit.
Just
Going to work late type thing. I mean, you can show up late, but you know.
But see, for me, I wake up each and every day excited.
Right.
Like,
That's because you're living it.
no, I know that, but I wake up excited because it's one of those things where I'm like, I have another opportunity to dictate how my life goes today. Because when we're trading, we're dictating how much we want to earn.
No, that's why I'm here. Right? You know my story.
Hey, can I cut you off real quick? I'm so sorry.
Listen, you
Totally
fucker.
off topic. I am so sorry. I just need to do something right now. If not, then I'll forget about it. You said that that there's a like trading view, you know, like an analyzing thing that you use that you can look at it for 15 seconds for free. So I was gonna upgrade to the premium on trading view, but if
Look
I
at something
get
for
it,
15 seconds.
Yeah, you know how you have the little. You know how what's his name uses 15 seconds, and you can read the candle a little better.
Oh, the 15-second time frame?
Yes. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Yeah, there's a certain part of TradingView that if you buy that package, you're able to drop down to a lower time frame.
Yeah, it's premium, but I don't need that much, like all the things that it comes with. I just need the 1 15-second thing.
Yeah.
I only need 2 indicators. That's it.
I think you actually have to purchase that part of it to access that completely. I don't think they truly offer anything other than that. They'll give you.
But Duane had used another analyzing platform. What's the platform you use, Duane?
I honestly don't know what you're really talking about, Moose, to be completely honest.
What's the platform that you use right now? Not Tradeovate.
The one
Tradeovate, right?
I use Ninja Trader and Tradeovate.
Ninja Trader, that's what it is. Never mind. Got it. Ninja Trader lets you come down to 15 seconds.
Oh, I never knew that. Delroy. Right now, neither. I'm flat. I'm not clear to trade yet.
Hey, we all learned something.
No, Delroy asked, "Are we pizza or strawberry?"
Pizza.
I love the inside. I love the inside code talk. Come on, Betsy. All right, well, there we are at 9:45, officially cleared to trade. I'm gonna give it an extra minute here. We do have news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news today.
Pretty exciting.
And we're currently sitting like pretty much in the middle of this 15-minute range. So that's why I'm waiting.
Retracing back up to the highs up there.
I would like to see like some type of a bull flag to take us higher. If we're going higher.
We're gonna go higher.
And if we're going to be going lower, show me a bear flag. That's all I'm looking for right now.
Show me the money.
Pretty much. I'm trying to take out in payouts this week. I'm trying to take 3 more payouts this week from Tradeify to bring my total for the year just over 6K.
We're gonna do it.
Within like the first week of trading. So
Hey, can you give us the top and the bottom of the 15, please?
absolutely, Steve. Top of the 15, 672.50. 672.50. Low of the 15, 538.50. 538.50.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Let's see if we build out this potential bull flag here. Angel, what's up, bro? Good morning. I'm potentially going to have a guest on the stream in like 2 weeks. If Mr. Brett wants to stream with me while in Canada, we're going to make some monies together. Live from some random coffee shop or something. Who knows? So we do have a bull flag printing on the 1 minute. But I still feel like we do have some selling pressure. Looking at that 5 minute, we got that big wick on top of that candle as well. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly. Your boy's ready to execute. Just waiting for the move. Waiting for the move. We do have news at 10. So from 9:55 till 10:55. Well, 10:05. I'll probably stay flat.
It was like 10:55. You're gonna be very cautious after that news.
What? What's up, Tara? Welcome back. Been a minute. How's everything going in Thailand? All right, there's some good selling pressure right there. Been great, been great. Living the dream, living the dream. I low key want to take a short because we're breaking through my yellow line, but we've been having so much buying pressure right around this VWAP area. Let's see. Yeah, I want to see some cleaner momentum to the downside if I'm going to take a short. I don't want to see these pop-ups like this on the Rincos. I'm eyeing the Rincos to see as soon as we get some decent momentum, I may take a quick little scalp. after trading this morning, I gotta go get to the gym. I gotta pick some stuff up and put it down.
You're making me want to work out now that you put that thing up. I was like, okay.
Hey, that's what it's there for, motivate everyone. And for everyone in Legacy, if one of you guys could do me a favor, try posting like a video on the main page for like the Legacy Fit, because some people are having issues posting. I want to see if I was trying to go in, but I couldn't see where to turn that on and off.
Yeah,
so I'm just not sure.
I tried and it was just gonna show like a hot link. It wasn't gonna have like a preview of it, so I didn't go through with it.
Okay.
But I could try again.
Yeah, just let me know, because if not, I'm gonna have to reach out to their support team to get this figured out.
Yeah, because it's like it'd be best if you will just like encode it there, and then the codec will put like a the thumb on it so everybody could see it, so our friends in the community.
Yep.
Because I posted it without, and then somebody says like a video where it didn't happen or something. I'm like, okay, well.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get everything dialed in this week across the board.
You're doing an amazing job. It's like simultaneously, launching this stuff, keeping the focus, ignoring the pictures I sent you. I mean, it takes a lot of work. All that stuff.
Well, if you would have sent it like in the community, I would have seen it faster. Because I have like.
So now I'm just an ass jack in the community. I can't DM you directly, huh?
No, that's not what I said. That is not what I said, sir. I have, let's see here, over 400 text messages.
Well, yeah, but only 300 of those are mine. No, I'm just kidding.
That's what happens when I send you Taylor Swift to your house. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm going to get you for that.
All right, coming back down to my yellow line, we have not had enough follow through for me to want to jump in. So that's why I have not taken a trade yet.
This is like memories of last week, man. Like, come on, let's get some movement. But we're going to get that news and maybe people wake up.
We need something. We're currently just playing in this little range, in the 15-minute range right now. Right in the middle of it. So, what do we not do? We do not diddle in the middle. No diddy. No diddy up in here. You know what I'm saying?
Pause. Talking about me just getting our waffles for breakfast this morning while we wait.
Must be nice. I'm not going to eat till this evening, since I only eat one meal a day.
Yeah, but it's chocolate cake.
It's chocolate cake.
Sugar down. You're doing that even with it. You're lifting in the morning and you're not even taking a protein buffer. You're just trying to.
No, I still each day I'm putting it. Well, I need to get better on my protein intake, but when I'm like super dialed, I'm putting in minimum each day over 250 grams of protein.
Well, that's good, but also there's those windows after you work out where it's like you're the extra window to get that protein into your system to support that hypertrophy.
Yeah. You right.
What do I know, right?
You know a lot, Steve. You know a lot. I feel like the Bulls have been trying to push. The Bulls have been trying to push here.
Do you know what it reminds me of? You're announcing like an NFL game and both teams suck. So like, boy, we're really trying to get something going on the.
Well, we just need somebody to win here. I do not care what direction. If it's strawberries or pizzas, I don't care. I do not care. We just need a team that's going to win today.
find some strawberries. I'm about to put some strawberries on my waffles. How dope.
But I feel like we're getting ready to push. We got a lot of buying pressure right now. We've had a lot of buying pressure. And because we have a lot of buying pressure, it makes me slightly look for a long potentially here. And we're currently sitting right above the middle of the 15-minute range as well. I need one side to do a clean swipe in a direction right now. Because I see this small little bull flag with the pull, the push back down, and potential to take us higher.
Yeah, we got 4 minutes until news, so keep that in mind too.
On the 1 minute, thank you, Steve. On the 1 minute, we have a flag showing some structure. But on the 5 minute, we got tons of selling wick. So that's why I'm not like just trying to jump in. Maybe after the 10 o'clock news, the market will settle a little bit. Let me see. Let me see if Trump's speaking
Where's
today.
the moose? Moose.
Yo, right here.
All right, so, brother, where do you think it's going?
I don't know, cause I'm freaking trying to get my the thing up to date. My thing's lagging.
Alexa, stop the candle lagging.
Going up if it bounces off. No, wait, hold on. I'll take that back. Let me see. Hold on.
You said BP is in the house?
BP is in the house.
Prior report closed bullish, so I would close bullish, but I don't like the way this 1 hour is looking though. But it's still above the VWAP and above the EMA on the 30.
We are above that VWAP, but the bear's trying to push it. We got a little flag, a larger flag.
Look at the 1 hour candle, Duane.
The 1 hour? Yeah, but that's showing way more selling pressure. That's showing selling pressure.
That's like a tight range, man.
It's not moving like Friday, I'll tell you that. But we're going to see what we get. Right now, we're in this tight range inside the 15-minute range. So this whole week, we got tons of news coming out. So that should help the markets move here. 2 minutes for the news at 10 o'clock. And look at all these wicks that are stopping on my yellow line, right? So we're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait. Here comes 10 o'clock. 30 seconds. 30 seconds for this news to come out here.
Wait me when it's over.
Well, Wave, I got two lines on the chart right now. But I want to see the price action push through with follow through either line. Mainly, I'm looking for the bottom line currently for the bear flag. There's the news. There's the news. That's why we do not trade when the news comes out. Literally, a pop up came right back down. That definitely hit people's stops as well, because people put those stops right above like previous candle wicks, everything like that. And it purposely
Stop that in the blink of an eye.
What's up, bro? Well, news is out, and we're still sitting here.
It's like news out. Let's stop people out and go cuddle with a VWAP.
No, but what's crazy though, right? That the fact that it just stopped people out. There. Here we go. Let's see. Are we coming down to the VWAP? I need to get through this yellow line with follow through.
Oh man.
You have breaking news behind you. So what's that about?
Good call out.
This is a big banner flash.
Has anyone checked orb?
It's talking about the news that just came out at 10.
There's still no breakout.
No, we're still sitting here. We're still waiting.
Anticipating.
Do not trade this range right now, people. Do not trade this. There's no reason to. You trade this range, you're going to get chopped and stopped out.
Chopped and stopped.
It's consolidated.
And the consolidation happens before the move, people.
Just want to let you guys know my waffles were delicious with your maple syrup.
You're making people hungry, Mitch. I'm ready for my pancakes and waffles in Mexico.
Well, instead of close to Mexico as I'm getting for now. Get that payout, then we can have that conversation.
All right. Well, hopefully later this week, potentially. But not with these markets like today, right now. Not right now.
Wow, this is terrible.
The way 100%, bro. Chopped and screwed. You know what I'm saying? T-Pain. That's why we're not normal traders. We wait for the moves, people. And that's it. We don't FOMO. We wait to execute the perfect setup. Come on, Betsy. We did gap up. Yesterday we did gap up because close from Friday was all the way down there at like 349. So we did gap up as well. So sometimes we like to retest those gap fills. So we have not come down yet, but we also haven't done anything yet for the session. So slightly getting out of the yellow lines here. So that's positive, I would say. Dylan, I can see that. I can see that. But we'll have to sweep that 672 level.
Looks like gold is flying right now.
Gold? Okay. Anyone else trading gold this morning? Trying to put lightning in a bottle with the Nasdaq this morning, but she's not moving. Yeah, we need. Let me put some more lines. Let me doodle. Let me doodle. Keep myself occupied here. You know what I'm saying? Oh.
Yeah, I'm occupying my time by doing these dishes at the moment.
More power to you. When the markets are open, I can't be doing anything else. I gotta be on the chart, waiting for that opportunity. So the 21 EMA is right above the middle of this 15-minute range right now. So we'll see if we come down and tap it. Hopefully we reject it, take us higher. But on the 2-minute right now, that's looking like a little bull flag. But the bulls would have to step in like now to take it higher. On the 2.
Everybody's too busy trading oil right now.
Probably with everything that happened with Venezuela. Venezuela. I could definitely see that today. I stay true to the Nasdaq. You know.
True.
Because for me, I don't watch oil and gold for these morning sessions, so I don't know how they normally move. So when it comes to trading, you guys stick to one thing and master it. BP, how you sneak in here and not come over the mic with the airplane mic, bro? That's crazy.
Good afternoon, folks.
He's gonna get on the mic and give you what you like. Come on, speak it, spell it, spit it, tell us.
Oh, that's funny.
Let me guess, you're up $10,000 already today.
Dude, I wish. No, I just wasted my time finally debating on what I wanted to try out, and I decided I was going to test out Lucid.
Okay.
have an eval that I just got with them and my other 2 accounts, but we'll see how today goes. I definitely want to trade that eval, and I definitely want to do at least 1 account.
No, 100%. Like, I need to get a Lucid account as well, just to have it.
Oh, welcome to the Lucid family, brothers.
I got one.
Crip, use prop firms, bro. Use prop firms.
I remember you said that last week that you had one.
What was that?
There was something important. I didn't just know it.
Grayson. Okay, what's his name? Grayson?
Oh, G, yeah. We just call him G.
Okay, yeah, GM. I remember you said last week that you have a Lucid account as well.
Big G.
So I need to make I had to put money in multiple accounts this week, but in one account I need just $1,000. That's the account I just took a payout on over the weekend. I just need to put $1,000 back in to request another 2K payout on that account. Then in my other account, I need to make $300 just to get below the micro scalping rule. In my other account, I think I need like $1,200 or something like that. But I'm trying to get a payout on all 3 of them this week, because we're trying to hit 10 grand a week. Got a goal. I can only have 2 weeks technically out of this year that I make less than 10 grand a week to hit my 500K in payouts from prop firms for this year. All right, well, like, I want to jump in on this short right here, but I'm not liking these wicks. That's what's holding me from jumping in, because I'm not going to short into a buying bottom wick. That's called fighting the wave, people. Like, I personally, I love going to the beach, so I understand going with the wave, the water's flowing, because when you go against the wave, you get wrecked. When you go with it, it's smooth, you know, and that's what we're trying to do with the markets each and every day. We're trying to go with the wave, because the market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, like a wave.
Does anybody here surf or wakeboard or anything?
I surf in Portugal, bro. What's good?
Oh, okay. I wake surf and I wakeboard.
I can see that. I can see that. I can see you getting towed behind a nice little 6-figure boat.
Yeah, I'm trying to do a Mastercraft X-Car, bro. That's my dream boat.
Okay, nice. I want a center console. I want a big old center console and a lake boat. Center consoles for the ocean. The wake boat. Well, the lake boat would just be so I could putt around the lakes in Central Florida. All right, we got that selling wick on that 1 minute there. We need follow through though. On the 5 minute, it's looking like a bull flag. Let's see if we clear. What's the high of that wick? 654, 654. I may take a long here. We just cleared that wick, but we did not have follow through.
Look at it this way. It was like, meow.
Yep, but that's why if there's no follow through, we don't execute a trade. Because why get stuck in that quick little pullback right there?
No, that's insane.
But it's crazy though. Oh, as soon as we clear this wick, I'm gonna take a long, clear the wick for a split second, instant pullback on the candle. So thank God I had the Renko bars. If I did not have the Renko bars, I wouldn't have seen it trying to pull back right away as cleanly.
Well, it's going up to that level again. It's gonna try you again. Let's watch Duane watch the Renko bars and see what we can get.
No pressure, Jesus, no pressure. All right, we're above the yellow line on my 5 minute. We barely cleared that previous candle wick. I need follow through.
Hey, is yours kind of frozen? Your time?
No.
No.
No follow through, no trade. Come on, Bessie. You want to.
So Nasdaq's already up 1% for the day session, so I'm not sure if it wants to go any higher. It can reverse and reclaim that 1% and 260 points.
Well, the whole thing, like, we're up 1%, but it's not moving with momentum. It's like slowly creeping.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe that's it. It wants to be 1% today. You know, hold
Yeah.
that 5.
It is Monday. It is Monday.
Yeah.
That's weird. Don't download the app. You can join it via the web. That may work better for you, depending upon like what device you're on. Yep, just slowly creeping, slowly creeping. So instead of downloading the app on the bottom, you should be able to hit like join from web if you're having issues. Well, Nasdaq's slowly creeping, Dylan. So hopefully we sweep as well. Your boy would just want some momentum. We are above my yellow line, but no momentum. Come on, landscaper. No, I don't think. Let me pull my cameras up. Yes sir, let's get it, bro. All right, cool. Not my landscaper. Or my neighbors. If it was, I was gonna have to run downstairs, unlock one of my side gates so he could get in the backyard. Yeah. All right. Anyone do anything fun today while we watch this market creep? Oh, we're getting ready to touch my yellow line again.
I mean, so far, I just finished doing audition, so.
So far, Mitch is having a productive day in the markets. Hey, whatever keeps him out. Nope.
I took the kids to school and went to the DMV, and here I am.
Okay. What? Where are you tuning in from, bro?
Largo.
Largo? Okay. Yeah, my kids don't go back till tomorrow. Sure enough, they've had this winter break, so to speak, over the holidays, and then the first day of the week they have a teacher work day. I'm like, how does that work? You had plenty of time, but okay.
Well, it's probably before you had kids time, but there was one time where the school year started on Friday and ended on a Monday. So it was like, after summer, you had to get them ready to go to school on Friday, and they were off the weekend, and then they had to go through the weekend and get off on Monday. So thank you, Seminole County.
Well, you guys call it school, I call it daycare.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Teach them shit.
Well, mine are all the way through it. I just have one in high school, so everybody else is in college, so they're on their own.
I don't have any yet.
Kids are definitely a blessing.
That is true.
And they make you they keep you young, right? They keep you young. I'll say that.
Yeah.
And when they get older, they'll make you age a little bit. But when they're young, they keep you young. And once they probably hit teenagers with the super attitudes, all that stuff, that's when it tries aging you.
No. Yeah, it's just how you raise them, man. It's like, I was like old school parenting, so it's like none of those like warning things happen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just like,
Yeah, my parents never had warned me and my siblings. Like,
well, no, I mean, because your parents like did it right, man, and it's like I did it right, so.
Like, we've been literally slowly creeping up here.
ES is trying to take New York high.
Thank you, Captain. Thank you.
He's a liquidity speak on that, sir.
Oh yeah, no, I mean you could potentially, but you want to see like it get swept and then like see a pretty decent reaction for rejection, but it's just looking very bullish.
Yes, it's working over already too. Yes, this went up for a long on orb, so what was that mimics here?
I was kind of thinking though, it's just going to be pretty slow until we get closer to 11, and then we'll see another pump like we did the last few days of trading.
Well, Unk's making some money. Unk's printing money today. Go ahead, Unk. He can't get on the Zoom call, but he's printing money on the YouTube, so we'll take it.
The W.
Seeing like that little That slight pullback right there. That's why I didn't want to see. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to see at least a bull flag as we kept creeping up for a potential entry. But a pullback like that does not make me want to go long whatsoever. Let's see how we react on this 21 EMA. We got this 21 EMA coming up down here. That's sitting right around the 631 area, around 631. Well, 633 actually. On this, since this new candle printed. Man. Yeah, right now, I got to lock back into the strategy. No momentum, no trade. So, let me not break my rules.
He has just had a retest of board. So it's going long, I would assume.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not bullish or bearish. I'm just looking for the momentum here. MC, I'm looking for bull flags and bear flags. And welcome, sir. These 5 minute, look at those buying wicks. So definitely got a lot of buying pressure. All right, there's the breakout finally. Right. Manny, what's up, bro?
Yes, it's exploding, so hopefully it mimics a quick $100 on 3 minis.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. All right, there we go. Breaking out of the 15-minute range finally. Only took till almost 10:30 a day. All right, we have that pivot point. We have a pivot point above us. So that would be the potential next thing that I'm looking for here. Let me get some music here since we just completed that one. All right, there's the pullback into the 15-minute range. So hopefully we got 50 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. Want to see it hold right above this 15-minute range, and then the next candle will shoot us. Build us a little bull flag up here, take us higher. I'm for that. Here comes the new 2-minute candle. Still waiting. Still waiting. I want to see some solid momentum here. We're dancing. We're dancing here right now. Rivals 15. Got some consolidation happening on the Rinko bars.
864. Break today's high. Oh, that was backwards as hell. 684.
Oh, listen. I was not going. I was like, maybe he's seeing something I'm not. But 864, we got quite a ways for that one.
All right, here it comes. 864. I said it.
I'm like, maybe he's watching something else right now. Like, because 864, I'm like, Jesus. All right, there we go. We did tap that. We have that pivot point above us as well.
Getting you high, so.
But I wish we had momentum down on this 5-minute chart when we broke through the yellow line, because I could have still been in. But we had no momentum, so I wasn't taking it. So we got the pivot. 710. First target's well above 710. 739 area for the first target from the 15-minute range here. So
Order rejected.
show me a flag. Show me a flag. Manny, I have not taken a trade yet today.
I haven't either. I watched this one play out and I was like, I might want to mitigate lower, and then it just kept going.
Yeah, like I have not taken a trade yet. The market, it's moving, but it doesn't have a lot of momentum. And for me, I use momentum with my flags. So if there's no real momentum, I'm not taking a trade. Could I? 100%. But I'm trying to be A++ this year. We're shooting for 500K in payouts. So sometimes the best trades are the trades you did not take.
That true American sniper mindset.
That's the only way to make money in the markets for me. Got it, clock it. Nature Boy, Glad you got it, bro. I'm just real with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've gotten chopped up so many times back in the when I was trying to learn how to trade everything like that. I don't want to get chopped up in funded accounts. Like, why? Like right there. If I would just FOMO'd into a trade for a long, right? And then right here on this pullback, I'll be in drawdown right now. Momentum is the secret little hack, so to speak, to make it a little bit safer. It's not perfect, but it makes it slightly safer. Because every trade we take, there is a risk that it may not go our way. So anything to help us limit our risk, we need to do it. Because now, with that slight little pushback down here, I'm rotating my lines. Even though we've been bullish, we're above the VWAP, right? That doesn't mean a bear flag can't get printed. If we keep going up, cool. I'll try taking a potential long. But if we start coming down, what am I going to look for? A short. So I'm doodling on my charts, getting everything ready. Just so my eyes have a marker to watch. And if I like what I see, then I'll take something. Go ahead, Dylan. Make that money, bro. Because on the 1 minute, we did print a bear flag right there. I did not have it pulled up. I was looking at the 2 minute there. We got that 21 EMA below us.
Hello.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah. How you doing?
Another day in paradise, bro. How about yourself?
Yeah, I just woke up.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Morning.
Welcome.
Oh,
Did
click
you
the wrong
take
button.
trades today?
I'm in a trade right now. I'm targeting the 21 EMA.
Mm-hmm. How do I remove my camera?
Oh, you just click the button, the camera icon, and it'll take you off the screen.
Yeah. You're in a short or?
I am in a short. I was targeting the 21 EMA. I may close this out here in a second.
He's targeting the consolidation.
Okay. Nice. Just a little follow through.
Yep.
Little
Need more
slightly
follow through. We actually tapped that 21.
Yeah, it might continue in the uptrend there. If you drag a line between the lows, there's a trend line. But yeah.
Where's Eddie?
Is BP here?
Yeah, BP's here.
He's always here. He's lurking.
Yeah, I'm probably getting ready to kill this one.
I was building a flag, so maybe it'll like pay off. Like
Yeah, but I'd rather get out protect the capital, and then re-enter.
Check you out, man. You're really on top.
You can gamble. This might be a little flag here, no?
At
No,
500, I'll kill it.
Pop right back up.
Yeah, uptrend. Yeah. Let me check the chart. My USD CHF trade is going up as expected.
Hey, what's your take on?
Currently 664.
Okay, I'm 665. 670 right now. Did yours move to 670?
I'm at 670, yeah.
Okay. So I guess I am moving. It looks like it's lagging. That's why.
It's just being slow today, bro.
Now 65.
It is, right? It is moving.
Yeah,
slow, right?
the market's just moving slow.
Yeah.
All right. I'm at 662. Okay. I thought it was lagging the whole time. That's why I haven't jumped into it. But I thought it was gonna go up. To be honest. When that 10 o'clock came, I was like, oh, it's probably gonna go up. But I didn't jump into it because shit, man.
Is this NQ?
Yeah, I'm looking at NQ right now.
Because I don't find the chart. I have the same chart here, but like
It's a good push.
Come on, Betsy. Let's see what this candle does right here.
what?
Longest trade of my life.
Yeah, this one is a pretty long one.
I don't like being in the markets this long. I do not like being in the markets this long.
You micro scalping fool.
I'm back.
But let's see if the floor comes out right here.
So it did go down. Yeah, it's failing its uptrend right now, no?
I want to look at my 2-minute chart over here, but I can't turn my head right now. There we go. Let's get a little bit more. Feeling heavy. Come on, Betsy. There we go. Give that a little bit more. Just a little bit. There we go. Good girl. Come on, a little bit more. I got out. I did not like that quick push up there, but profit's profit. I should have closed at the 400. I got greedy, but we'll rotate to the next account. It's already 10:45. Jesus.
I hope I don't regret this, but I didn't enter. I almost did, but I hope it doesn't just floor up because that would suck. Because I had an order at 50% and I canceled it.
Yeah.
With range.
We still got some selling pressure, but let's see. Let me rotate. I got to log in. I did not log in yet. Jesus. To see what my other account that I need the 300 in. Mad that I didn't close at the 400. I should have just locked it in, boys.
It happened, man.
No, I know. I know. Hey, green is green at the end of the day, but
Green is green.
Green is green.
all right, let's rotate.
Being that it's 10:46, if this closes below this 15 closes below my EMA at 623, let's say, or lower, then I believe we're gonna drop.
Yeah, we're building a bear flag on the 5 minute there.
Yeah, I'll probably wait for this retracement, and then I'll jump in for a little sell.
ES and NQ might be forming a bearish S&T. Kind of have to see what happens because ES is about to take this high and NQ has not taken it yet.
Yeah, and look, also, the 1 hour hit of resistance zone at 25,688. It's retracing off of that, so that's another to me.
So now
Gonna drop.
ES took it and now NQ has to catch up or else it's gonna form.
The only concern I have is that it might fill in the January 2nd, the Friday candle, the 4th. It might try to fill it in completely.
Oh, like all the way up there at like 800 something?
Yeah, that's my only concern, but I doubt it because it's already retracing. It's 1046.
We're going to be coming down. I feel like we're going to be coming down personally. And that's only because I see a bear flag trying to print on the 5. And we got these top wicks for selling pressure. So for me personally, I don't know everything. But if we get some follow through by the bears, we're coming down. And we'll probably come down and test at least the middle of the 15-minute range. So that's around the 605. Dylan, there is a chat in the Zoom that you could text in there, but everyone normally just talks. Brett, our guy here, but my bad. I could listen. I trade on this computer over here. Y'all are over here on this computer, so I couldn't turn my head because I didn't want to get ripped in the market. I was scared. All right, here we go on the 2 minute. That 1 minute should already be showing. Yep, that 1 minute showing a beautiful bear flag. Let's see if we get some follow through here. I want to get below this 21 EMA. And for me, I'll probably wait till we clear. What's that? 637 area. Because I gotta put $300 in this account just to fix the micro scalping rule. And once I do that, then I'll request a payout on this account today. If I get the 300, if not, I'll have to request it tomorrow. Not rushing it. Not rushing it.
It's very choppy right now.
That is, Johan. Johan, are we meeting? Are we meeting in Canada when I come, or what's going on? Since I can verbally talk to you now, it's no longer texting in the chat.
You have to go to Montreal. We'll meet there.
Listen, we're coming. We're coming.
It'll be cool. Yeah. And if I make enough money, I can go to Mexico. You know.
Hey, From your lips to God's ears, brother. We got the big trader meetup end of this year. We're going to the X-Correct in Mexico as a community. So
Duane did it already twice.
well, next month makes it 3 times.
Oh, my bad. Correct. I'm trying to be like Duane. I want to be in Mexico.
Listen, I'm everywhere. This month going to be in Canada. Next month, Mexico. The month after that, Colombia. The month after that, possibly Thailand. We're everywhere. We everywhere. And we're going to be streaming and trading all at the same time.
You're meeting a tactical girl?
Huh?
You're meeting the tactical girl that went on stream?
No, that wasn't the plan, but if she wants to meet me and Brenda, we'll definitely go to the range.
Yeah.
This year is Dwayne's international tour, trading tour.
Listen, boys, I forgot to tell y'all, right?
Put it on a shirt.
Y'all got me excited. Hold on, let me stop. Let me put my blue light glasses back on and help my eyes here. Before I say what I was getting ready to say, Ace Mentor. Yes, I use Ninja Trader and Tradeovate. I use both of them. Just depends on what accounts I'm trading. But your boy found out what equipment all these big IRL streamers use, and your boy's getting it.
Let's go.
So not only are we gonna have the cleanest live streams, right? We're also gonna be streaming, just walking around Mexico, Canada, all these other countries like we're here in the US.
Yeah.
What trader not only helps people win in the markets, right? And then streams not the day in the life video. We don't do that. We stream the life.
Nah, that's gonna be dope. That's gonna be dope.
Just saying, this year it's gonna be fun for all of us. It's gonna be fun for all of us. Because all this time I was like, man, it's probably because I heard about the backpacks that these guys use, everything like that, and they were like, oh, $50,000 on. I'm traveling out the country once a month. Do I really want to drop 50 bands on a backpack to stream? If I'm doing every day, 100%. But once a month, but come to find out, it's no 50 bands. They've been capping. Still chopping right now.
It is.
So what? I heard something about a range day. Is there going to be a range day where we could bring out the heat or what?
Johan was talking about the Terra Tactical. She has 1 point something million followers. She jumps in the Trader Hangout streams here. But when me and Brenda go to Thailand, we'll probably go to the range with her and shoot some content.
Gonna be
On the range, man.
What was that?
I was just making sound effects.
No, BB wants to come and fire out the 460.
Oh man, I'm so uneducated in guns.
I'm just waiting for my youngest to get a little bit older so I can teach him, because he's real big in firearms. So whenever my kids are interested, that's when I teach them about firearm safety, everything like that. But yeah, I know he would love going to the range. Ace, hit me on IG. Yeah, just hit me on IG, bro. Same name as the YouTube. And we could chat. Or you can shoot me an email at build@legacywealthsociety.com. Yeah, baby. Huh? Yeah. 1 second, I'm in a trade. Huh? No. I'm gonna have to grab it in a second. No. Where you going? Oh, okay. 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 You good? No, like, yeah, you look out of breath. That's like, you good? Like, you look pale right now. Like, like, I'm like, yo, you good? Like, my bad, man. No, I did not put you on the spot. Well, the house is currently at 69, baby.
69.
Oh, okay. Love you.
Bro, ain't no way.
What?
Oh man, he's over here having some ad-lib sounds and backing me up.
Well, market's literally doing absolutely nothing right now.
Yeah, that's what I was listening.
Hey, move.
It was
Right?
earlier.
I think that's why you laughing.
What's up?
At 10 a.m.
You heard him, right?
Well, what do you say? Sorry, I'm paying attention. I'm trying to set up this Ninja Trader account. So.
This is painful for the eyes to watch right now, especially coming off of Friday. The market was moving so smooth, so clean. All right, let's see. Are we getting ready to break back out of this 15-minute range here? Coming up to the high of the 15-minute range. Maybe I take a long right outside of this 15-minute range here, but we have 0 flags. So I'm not even. Yep. I got kicked myself for not closing at 400 on my first trade I took. I was getting greedy. I wanted a little bit more. I should have just closed out at the 4. Instead, I learned my lesson because my greed cost me like $250.
No, because look, I thought my mic was on. I was just, I said, Duane, get out. But I was on mute.
Gee, you're my secret whisperer. You're supposed to help me, bro.
Listen, I was on mute.
Listen, BP tells me a full port, and you tell me to get out. Like,
I was literally.
Jesus.
Hey, listen, you can literally. Jordan is right here. Jordan, what was I doing?
He was screaming.
I was even yelling. I was like, Duane, get out.
I should have, would have, could have.
I have a
But-
window open in my house. I could hear him.
I could hear him.
I'll say this though, Duane. You got patient. You more patient than me, man. I would have jumped out. As soon as I see that shit right at the mid where I got in at, I would have got out. But it went down and then it shot right back. I said, holy.
Well, my eye, like, guys, when I'm using the Rincos, which I use for every trade I execute, I use the Rincos to time my entries and my exits. I'm always looking for when the market's heavy or when it's trying to rocket. You know what I'm saying? So for my eyes, when I'm watching the momentum, my eyes, like, mentally, I'm like, okay, that's showing heavy. So that's why I'll stay. Like, on certain trades where I have a little bit more patience, it's because my eyes are telling me something about the market. So that's why I'm staying. Because normally I'll be like, oh, let me get out, break. But my eyes are showing me something. I'm like, okay, let me hold just a couple extra more seconds or a few more minutes for this to actually fully play.
Hey, Duane, in order
Yes,
to be a
sir.
Ninja Trader, you had to make an account with them?
Yeah, so you sign up on Ninja Trader. It's completely free.
Yeah, but it's not like TradingView. You can just click onto it, right? You have to make a whole profile with
Yeah, so you have to sign up with Ninja Trader, and then you set everything up. It's not that difficult, to be honest with you, because you literally just connect your TradeAvate, like, user information in Ninja and connect.
No, all I want to do with them is just use their charts. I'm not going to use their platform to trade. I'm going to still use TradingView. I just want their chart.
Yeah, even for that though, you'll go through the process and you have to connect everything because that will give you the live data feed without having to pay for it.
Gotcha. All right, thank you.
You know what, Moose? You're welcome.
Yeah, I was just trying to avoid having to do all that because they're pointless to me only for.
I'm just saying, Moose. I mean, you could trade on there too.
Oh, that's a bear flag on this 5 minute, but I need to push through that yellow line with clean, clear momentum.
I'm just saying you have that option, Moose, to trade on there.
All right, thank you.
Use it as a chart, but you can trade on it too. So.
This is a buy
Love you
right
too,
now.
baby. What was that, Johan?
It should be a buy right now because it's accumulating, no?
No.
Continue.
Looking at the 5 minute here, right? I'm seeing a bear flag on the 5, so I wouldn't be looking for a buy. But that's me. Like, if your eyes are telling you something different, go with what you're seeing. But for me, I'm seeing a bear flag on the 5 minute.
I just added on my USDC chart trade, but I'm not. Yeah. Just seeing what you're doing and stuff.
And for me, like,
what would be your position size?
What was that?
What would be your position size if you do get a bear signal and go short?
I'll be going 2 contracts.
2 full size, okay.
I trade 2 to 4 contracts depending upon how the market's moving. And if it's like super like choppy and volatile, I may trade 1 contract just to limit my risk of exposure. But I average between 2 or 4 contracts per trade.
No micros and minis?
Just the minis.
I'll be fair. For this eval, I'm trading on micros.
Yeah, I personally, I can't do micros. Mentally, for me, like, I trade worse with micros than with the minis. And like I like to say, trading is extremely personal. So whatever works for you, stick to it. Don't let someone else say, oh, you need to trade this way or that way. No. If you find something that works for you, just do what works best for you. Because you're the only one putting money in your bank accounts and your accounts. Nobody else.
But I say this though, micro, you lose more than minis.
You lose more with micros?
Yeah, on micros, right? You make more, right?
The minis you make more.
Oh, the minis, okay. All right, great.
Like my brother, he uses the micros, but he's trading pretty much full size contracts, but he does it so he can scale in and scale out the way he does it with micros.
Yeah, that's a good way about going about it.
I just want to compare the mic.
What do you mean? What do you mean scale in and scale out?
So what he means by that is basically, so let's say if you have 1 contract on Mini, you can have 10 contracts on micros. It's basically the same thing, except you'll pay more fees. And then let's say you hit 50% of where you want price to go, you can take 5 contracts off, and then you'll have like half your position, and you can keep holding it. Versus when you're on a Mini, you only have 1 contract, and you have to basically make a decision to either sell it or to try to trail it higher.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense.
I just don't like the commissions, man. When you get up to like 5, 6 micro, it's just like you're just handing the cash right to the broker.
Yeah, exactly. Because isn't a Mini like 7 and it's like 280 per micro?
Yeah, I'm not sure the breakdown. I just remember I was trading sim, and then I went in and actually did it live. It was like the cut they were getting was like devastating.
Dylan, it's the opposite for me, bro. Like the minis, it doesn't get me excited to trade. You know what I'm saying? Where the minis are, yeah, we're gonna make that money. Because I think the first time I traded with micros, and I saw like 50 cents. I'm like, what? Excuse me? I'm like, nope, can't do this one.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. So it honestly depends on what you're trading, but it could be anywhere from like $4 to $5 per contract on Mini, and then $1 something to $2 something on micro. But it definitely stacks up fast if you're using a lot of micros.
What about the commissions on minis?
you said what about the commission on minis? That's the one that's where it ranges from like $4 to like $7.
What a mini or a
Yeah,
Or-
a mini.
I just found out I have to pay for TradingView because my chart is delayed.
Yep. So
Oh, yeah.
glad you noticed that, Johan, because on TradingView, if you're trading with prop firms, TradingView's not included. So you do
Yeah.
have to pay for the subscription to TradingView to have the live data. Because a
Is it
couple
like
people,
$15 a month or something?
I'm not exactly sure what the price is because I just got dinged by them in December for like $600.
Yeah, it's like $15 a
Yeah.
month. Because I just got mine the other week.
Okay.
Because I have their top of the line package and all.
You didn't wait for Black Friday or the Cyber Monday?
It's automatically set for it's annual renewal.
Oh, but you picked it up in December then, right?
Oh, if it's
Last
like that,
year.
you can,
The year before,
you
actually.
can,
I forgot
you
about
can
it.
say you don't want it, and then say it's too expensive, and then 2 times, and then it will be like half the price. Yeah. That's the trick.
Well, now I know for next year, I'll cancel my subscription
Exactly.
and I'll get a new one.
Yeah.
Well, I'm like, what did I just spend $600 at? While like drinking some water. I'm at the house. I didn't spend no money today. What are you talking about? $600? TradingView? Oh, subscription. Got it. All right. Keep it moving.
Yeah, the market is dead.
Yeah, this is painful. Hopefully tomorrow it moves a little bit better
For sure.
than this.
I had one setup and I should have taken it, but I thought it was not going to play out. I thought I wanted something lower.
Listen.
The Asian session this year.
No, hopefully not.
No, right?
That would be painful
Asia
to watch.
Open, I called 2 good trades out. It was crazy.
I'm staying till probably like 11:30, maybe 12 today. Just to see if it does something at 11:30, to be honest.
Like I said, it's pushing up.
I mean, 300 above accounts. I'm good. Anything.
Hell yeah, man. That's a daily goal right there, $500.
Yeah. Good job, bro. Good job.
Are you going against the trend all the time, or?
Am I? No. For me personally, this is what I was looking for, right? If the Bulls did not push it through this top yellow line, this would be a bear flag if we have momentum to the downside.
Yeah.
But unless we
But
break
because
through the
of the-
bottom yellow line, I'm not taking a trade for a short. So that's why I draw on the charts. It's not to show you guys the flags. It's to tell myself mentally, if we don't break through this line, I'm not taking a trade. So it helps me stay out the market and not FOMO into a trade.
Yeah.
For me personally.
And you're
The,
saying
the,
like,
the news. Sorry, the news that came out is manufacturing PMI, so it was negative for the USD. So I think it's positive for the overall market, US market.
You guys remember earlier when I said I canceled that order at the 50% range?
Yeah.
Yeah. I regret it now. It would have been a $1,200 win.
Well, guess what? We got tomorrow, bro. And the rest of the week.
you got Asian too.
Yeah, it's just for me, the overnight sessions, they move so much slower. I'm a momentum guy.
Remember, I was saying about that swing trading. If you can just leave one mini micro going, for over a day, it's gonna catch itself.
Yeah.
One way or another. Like you were saying, how much you pay for all these subscriptions if you need that data. Say one data that you don't have to, kind of will pay for, but you want a live data where the market's going. Put one mini and watch how much you're losing, how much you're making. They can't lie about that. That's
Yeah.
instantaneous. So if you can use that data to help you, like, I'm down. Who knows how many points one way? I can confirm I'm gonna go the other way, and I'll do a full size the other way.
Yeah. This year I may dabble into some other things. like some gold possibly. Maybe look at some like Bitcoin stuff, but we'll see. The year is still young, people.
I mean, do you own any crypto?
I do. I have some Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum.
If you already have it, it's not gonna hurt you just to transfer over to those futures accounts and just future on it.
Yeah. For me, crypto personally, though, to be real, those are all long-term plays for me.
True.
I'm not looking to actively trade them each and every day. For those are just buy and forget type deal.
Right. But
And come back in like 5 years to see how much we made.
If you're familiar with their price action and you see like a 50% drop, that's on sale. You get some more or
True.
cash out and get some more,
Yeah, whenever XRP drops below $1.90, I always get more.
Right. And whenever it goes to like 3, you should sell and then wait for the $1.90 again.
Yeah, I have a friend that has $150,000 of XRP, and he's just holding it forever, and he doesn't want to cash out.
Yeah.
Right. You can grow it every time it pumps. Sell and buy again.
Figured I'd update you guys. Just was in that little pump up that we just had. So 346 on the day.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay.
That's in your funded too, right?
Yes, sir.
Attaboy. Let's go.
We also have a bullish S&T between the two. And
Yeah,
delivered before US did, so
he's up to 1.2% too for the day, so it's almost 20% more than when we started.
I was gonna say that was like a perfect setup for my little run there, because where my stop loss, where my take profit was, is exactly where it closed. Not bad, not bad.
Let's see. Let's see if we get a bull flag up here. If we do, with a little bit of momentum, I may take one more trade. If not, come back tomorrow. Make that some money. Hopefully.
Yeah, trade that all the boys can make some money today, at least something.
Hey, I put like 100 and some change in one the account I just took a payout on. So now I need like 900 more bucks in that account by Friday to request a payout on that one again. So we'll take it.
I guess running back to orb for all the scalpers out there.
There's my mouse. There we
Did you check the news? How it impacts the market?
The squad.
go. Gus, this is the Nasdaq, bro. It's the Nasdaq.
So the answer would be no. Wait.
Oh, what was the news about?
Yeah. If you check the news.
They're just talking about the Venezuela's president.
Yeah, that probably
On the TV.
Yeah, talk about Venezuela and all those fake protesters that are outraged about it.
They imported illegal. Never heard of that. Usually they deport them. They imported one.
Importing?
They imported a.
Well, you got all those shows out there with the pre-printed signs that like don't have a job except for being a paid protester. Wow, no kings, but we like dictators. It's like, shut up.
Yeah,
that's good. Like 2
They got the IRL set up too on their backpacks.
And then they got Kamala Harris coming out there with the word salad. Like, shut up, lady.
Gus, lock in. We stream Monday through Friday for these New York sessions, and we also do a traders hangout in the evening as well to recap our trading day, talk about the charts, and everything in between that and life. So just keep clocking in, bro. We'll help you get fast track to the success here.
It's getting warmer too. I think you're gonna have to use any more propane.
What was that?
getting warmer, so I don't think you need any more propane.
Nah, I always need it. Even if it's warm, I'm still gonna have the fire pit going. It sets the mood. You know what I'm saying? It sets the mood.
All right. So hopefully you got that grill ready.
Oh, the grill's always ready.
Okay.
And probably Wednesday night, I'll probably do the traders hangout by the grill, and I'll be cooking some steaks and all that good stuff.
Oh, now you're just taking it to the next level, huh?
Bro, I'll tell you what.
Fitness show.
Uber Eats is me up in Minnesota.
It's going to be cold by the time it gets to you, so you may not want it at that point.
You get air freight, you know?
Air freight.
Cooking channel, fitness channel, trade channel.
We do it all.
Yeah.
We do it all. Whatever floats your boat, we got. Oh, you like food? We cook live. If you like fitness, we go live in the gym. We're doing it all. If you like money, we trade.
We got Ramsey up in here, shoving it up.
Yo, pretty soon we're at a gaming segment.
Oh, gaming? You gonna start doing some Bob Ross, dude?
Yeah, he's gonna have the painting, man. He's gonna be painting candlesticks and bowl flags.
The therapy session. This is the trade I missed, but it's just a mistake.
Damn it, no.
So we got this bull flag.
It's running through ore a lot faster now. It's catching up. It's going to rebound off sooner than it did. So it's like it's going to consolidate.
There's still been a lot of traders who are returning this week. I wonder if there's still a lot that are out on vacation.
Possibly.
I just checked the New York school schedule. You know, I want to see what they're doing over there. They're already back in school, so hopefully everyone's good to work and they got better vacation than we do.
Come on, market. Give us something here.
For real.
We just need to make an extra $300. I want to take that payout today. Captain, it has been chopping, bro. This market has very, very low momentum. It's been moving, but just slow. So the way I trade, we don't like slow. I need speed.
Bro, the market
We have
really
like slowly working our way up to that Friday high.
Let's see if it rejects ore and stays above it.
Yeah, Cap, I'm definitely not trading power hour. I only trade the morning session, and that's it. I do no power hour, no overnight trading, even though we are live for the Traders Hangout, but I don't trade it. It moves too slow for me.
Just not to trade because he's a rebel.
Is there
All
days
right,
where
well.
you don't take trades?
What was that, Johan?
Is there days where you don't take trades?
Yes, I actually had my first one in December. Well, I had like 2 days where I didn't execute a trade, but we were on stream because the market didn't give us anything.
Yeah.
That's how dialed I am right now. I'm not. If there's no trade to take, I'm not taking anything.
Yeah. It's a line of work. Like if you do nothing, it's still a good thing to do.
Yep.
Sometimes. Yeah. You just gotta be available when the setup is there.
Yep. That's why I'm waiting until 11:30 to see if we get something maybe at 11:30 and make the market move a little bit. I just need a quick little 300 on 2 contracts. That's very quick to do. Well, if we don't get it, we don't get it.
Yeah, that bounce on the orb was definitely good on the upside.
Yeah, very true.
What was that, Captain Thomas?
I was just agreeing with him
Oh.
because we are showing
Like
some
it's
buying
consolidating.
pressure. I have a range that's slightly under. The price is the 50% would be at 661. I was thinking it might want to mitigate that spot and then push back up for a new high, but I'm not entirely sure. I'd want to like see it sweep that range and then have like some confirmation that it wants upside before I enter.
Watching paint dry.
What time frame are you reading that confirmation on? 1 or 5 or?
I'm on the 1 right now.
Yeah, on the 1. Okay, so you want that buy? Okay.
What's up, Smart? Welcome. Watch us watch paint dry.
For real though, this is beyond me.
Well, this is what builds character for traders, right? When the market's moving like this builds character for all of us. Helps us lock in on our discipline.
Should have labeled today as a character development day. Honestly.
Well, Mitch, put it this way. Most Mondays are character building days in the markets. If there's no real news coming out on Monday, it's going to be a character building day. You got to take what the market gives.
My name's Rick. I'm a trader.
The Nasdaq, bro, futures. We're just watching it consolidate currently.
Can you imagine if there was like a traders group, like this isn't being insensitive to anybody that's gone through this.
Listen, you guys are giving me ideas for legacy.
Alcohol,
a trader recovery group. That's what I'm gonna name it. Legacy Wealth Society Recovery Group.
My name is Mitchell, and I've been trading for 3 months. Yeah, I tried to trade on a Monday, and I talked about guys.
I used to scale full-size contracts. It counts.
Dwayne's like, it's okay to sleep, tell us the story, it's okay.
Traders Anonymous. I like that one, Dylan. I like that one a lot. Smart. All the charts pulled up is the Nasdaq. Those are just different time frames. So all the charts you see on the screen, those are all the Nasdaq.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go for this high.
From your lips to God's ears.
What's you guys doing?
The Zoom call is choppy today. Is that done on purpose? Nothing's done on purpose. I'll have to see why that's. I gotta go back in my OBS because we got echo on the voices from the Zoom call. So.
To be honest.
The Zoom sounds pretty good to me. I'm not worried.
No, it's good for you guys, but the people that are listening in on YouTube, there's an echo.
Oh. Echo.
Turn my headphones up.
Mitch,
Turn my microphone up.
you dirty for that, bro.
I'm in the
Check
chair.
the settings, Dwayne. Check the settings, because you're on the different compressor.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Ace, enjoy the gym, brother. I'll reach out. I'll check out what you say and we'll talk.
Did you accidentally be like previewing extra audio and like it's duplicating it twice?
It shouldn't be because I have different scenes put in my OBS. So depending upon what scene I'm on, that's the audio that's pushing out.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just not sure. I had to come in today and figure it out because I need the stream sounding crispy for the Zoom call over the actual YouTube stream.
True. I could also. Where's my?
When I used to run tech for a big company there,
No. Hold on. I think that's muted. I just had, because I remember one. Let's see here. No, yeah, that's muted, so it's not that. Don't break it, BP.
Does
Do
it-
not
does
do
sound
it,
different?
sir.
Hello?
Yep.
Oh, okay. You still hear me?
Yeah, we still hear you. You sound like a deeper captain now.
Oh, did you switch the mic?
Yeah, turn on my Blue Yeti.
Yo.
Not the Yeti.
We got the premium voice, guys. We got the premium voice.
I got a Yeti in my closet right now. I had switch over to this nice Shure mic right here.
Oh, sure mics are the GoPro. Those are fire.
Come on now.
Nice.
Mitch, I know you like equipment, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
your boy only got the best.
Hey, when I worked at the university, the Valley City up in North Dakota, I was a video production manager, and I built the whole podcast room and everything. And had the Shure mics and a bunch of other, I won't bore you guys with the tech and whatnot, but it was a very professional setup. Doing a bunch of podcasts and live streams right out of my office. Scoot across the chair, across the desk to work on my actual workstation, but everything was right there in-house. It was pretty smooth.
That's awesome. Like, so I got the Shure mic. I do need a different audio switcher. I will say that because I bought this one off Amazon. And I want to upgrade it to something better, to be honest. But I got the Black Magic Design ATEM.
Yes, let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Mitch, you already know your boy over here plugged in now.
I only got a Black Magic gear. I've been rocking them for the past 5 years. Best in the game, for real.
Yeah, my brother, because he was running at the time, like the production for a large church.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was talking to him, be like, oh, what type of equipment should I get? He's like, well, here at the church, we use the Black Magic Design, but that's kind of pricey. I'm like, we spare no expense, sir. Like,
Black Magic.
like we make money from trading. We click buttons to earn. We don't care what the price is. We gonna get it.
Pass the plate around.
Feel free to donate to my. Just so you know, you can donate to my GoFundMe account. No.
Your queen to take her to dinner. Your dinner fund.
I gotta take Brenda to dinner. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and donate. In the description, there's a GoFundMe for my dinner tonight. Appreciate y'all. That's a joke, people on YouTube. I'm not serious whatsoever. I will never ask you guys for money. I'm here trying to help you guys earn at the end of the day. That's it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks.
There's a reason why we continue to grow each week bigger and bigger.
Well, the Growers Club. Here we go again.
What about the
That's crazy.
What was that?
The Growers Club. That's crazy. Wow.
I'm gonna skip over that one. I'm gonna skip over that one.
Oh yeah, what's your preferred certified account again?
The growth account.
Oh, there it is.
Smooth, real smooth.
It'd be if Brett was in here, he'd be like, he'll say my line. It'd be your own people. You know what I'm saying? But Rick, it's a pleasure to actually have you on the Zoom calls finally. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Great pleasure.
Being in the industry, weekends are taken up for me. Weekdays, free to do everything else.
Awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to come get some eggs from the spot you were talking about.
No, I'm saying you were gonna cook eggs. I was saying watch the video. I'm not sure if it's posted, but I'll send you a link. That's like mayonnaise and eggs, and you put it in the microwave and it makes the best omelet in the world.
Okay.
Oh, mayo? Leave the chat. Mayo? Heck nah.
Listen, I love me some mayo.
Well,
Mayo,
like,
eggs, you whip
mayo,
it, and then
just eggs and oil. That's how they can
yeah,
feel
it's the
it.
same
so.
thing. Yeah.
But I have hens, so I eat like fresh eggs, so I don't need to do any hack like that shit.
Sorry. He just called us peasants, by the way, people. He's like, I have my own hens and flocks.
What's a microwave?
Yeah, fuck that shit. That's what I'm saying.
All right, it's officially 11:30, and guess what? Nothing happened.
Oh my god.
happened?
No
Well,
new high, no new nothing.
Like, this is craziness. Dylan's in the chat laughing. Delroy, we're not, no strawberries right now, bro.
I wish.
It's a solid consolidation. That thing is heavy.
But that's the whole thing, right? This is what gets people.
Yeah.
Like, we see the consolidation. Like, okay, the move's going to happen. The move's going to happen. And then you end up waiting all day.
Right. But hey, 10 points, man. If you're in this, little scalpies, you can make some money right here.
No, 100%.
How long is that? I mean, it's only 10 minutes, but yeah, up and down, 10 points all day.
Gus, so I trade on Ninja and Tradeovate. So when I'm here in my home office, I will trade on Ninja Trader mainly. If I'm trying to copy trade, then I'll use Tradeovate since they have the built-in copy trader. When I'm traveling, I'm on just Tradeovate as well, so I don't have to carry 2 computers around the globe with me. But
Now you're gonna start carrying 2 because you're a baller now.
we've always been a baller, but it's heavy. Yeah, backpack, two big old computer laptops.
Oh my goodness. Look, Mr. 750-pound leg lift. Dude, just do it.
Jacob, appreciate you subbing, bro. Thank you.
When are you gonna get into the VR? 100 screens at once.
Well, my setup that I'm probably gonna. We'll see if I actually finish it. BP's gonna help me with the PC build, but I'm gonna have a nice probably 32 horizontal. And then over here on the side, I'm gonna have a vertical.
Bro, just make the whole entire wall a screen.
No, I can't because right here, this is a window behind the camera. And plus, I don't need that many screens for me personally. But when I do have everything set up, I'll have a couple extra ES pulled up on a chart, just some of that stuff, just so I can see what's going on. But I'm not going to really be looking at them as often.
Just make your own stock exchange, put at home setup.
We can do that. You guys give me some really great ideas.
You're welcome. We're gonna break this high or what?
BP, I'm not going full port, bro. I just heard you say that. Absolutely
No,
not.
I did not say that.
The devil's a liar.
Oh.
Here we go again. TAA.
Trying to set me up. I heard it.
Traders Anonymous is coming out of you. I hear voices.
Well, I put this line on. We did break through the line, but it's still so slow.
Yeah, this is ridiculous today.
And it was moving so clean on Friday. That's what's so crazy that it's moving so slow today.
Yeah.
Because Friday, that thing was moving so good. So good.
I need a solid pump down to that EMA line. That'd be great.
Well, we got that. I got my 21 EMA. That's down there around 678.
Go down, go down, go down.
I had one job that I didn't take steps.
Oh well.
BP, you good though, bro? We coming back tomorrow, dialed in, and we're gonna make it all. We're gonna make more.
Yeah,
If you guys see some price action, send me a letter.
I'm a messenger pigeon it the way this market's moving right now.
I was just about to say, the way we're moving right now, we'll get there.
yeah, maybe by the time you read it, it'll finally start.
Hey, come on! Full port! Oh, okay. You actually have kept that mini going for 3 days.
Oh, going down. Look at that. Look at that. Ow.
Stance.
What did I tell
Down to that 21 EMA.
What did I say?
But I heard what you said, but this is on the 5 minute. This is one big old bull flag.
Damn it.
Yeah.
On the 5 minute. That's why I wasn't trying to go short. Only because we got the pole push up, the structure of this flag, and I just want to see the full push through.
Man, for everybody that hopped off the market, hope they're gonna miss out on this big move that's gonna come like never.
I'll probably give it another 10 minutes and then I'm getting off because this is painful.
I gotta make some phone calls too. I just got that Tahoe here. Just gotta register. I gotta go call my insurance company.
What color did you get?
Congratulations.
It's like pearl white.
Nice.
Yeah, I got all Chevys. I got Colorado, Avalanche, Al Tahoe.
Was that a tax write-off or what?
No. This thing's used. It's another one to the workforce.
Heck yeah.
I work on marine vessels, so the other two are trucks, open trucks to haul shit. This is the actual clothes to keep things out of the rain and all that.
Nice. Yep. Rick's gonna help us out get some yachts, boys, end of the year. He's gonna help us find some yachts.
Okay.
I'm a big yacht nerd, to be honest with you.
Hey, you're better off renting them. My favorite boat's my friend's boat.
My favorite boat's gonna be Wayne's boat.
Yeah.
Well, I am your friend, so it makes sense. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Favorite boat's my friend's boat. You get it?
Bro, imagine like a massive, like 250-meter yacht with Duane's legacy wealth lying on the side of it, bro. My side of it, damn.
Dude, that'd be the wildest picture ever.
Got a helicopter out front.
That give me like 5 years. Give me 5 years for that one.
You know,
I'll be content with a nice like 32-foot center console with the legacy branded on the side of it. The boat would be all black, lying gold.
Damn, I was just about to say, the line's gotta be gold on the flag. That'd be hard.
Or flip it, all gold boat with a black line.
That'd be tough, too.
Don't get caught in the Gulf over there in Venezuela.
Yeah, they might take your.
A little tomahawk.
If I commandeer the vessel,
Put that thing in its port and take off.
that V12 engine.
All right, we're starting to break through the yellow line. I'm tempted to take it long here. Thank God I clicked the wrong button. Whew, that was scary.
Oh, I hate when that happens, man. Fair debate? Oh, I'm trying to make it big today.
No, I accidentally did a right click. So, let's see here.
It's a solid one, too.
Yeah, well, let's
5 minutes. It's rejected on
I should have went long on ES.
Yeah, ES was good, but it's starting to turn around.
So, if you're looking at ES, if you look at the 1117, like that break of structure right there, that wick that popped in at 1026, that was like your liquidity sweep to take
On
your entry.
1 minute?
Yes.
Okay.
If you're trading live structure, at least.
Yeah.
I was not paying attention. I was watching the stream.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Yep, blame me. You know what I'm saying? Blame Dwayne. I was watching the stream.
Oh, Dwayne.
Yeah,
I mean, the most you would have gotten, though. The most you would have gotten.
It's too entertaining, man.
Points.
BP, you feel like these streams are entertaining?
Yeah, absolutely.
I feel honored because my girl would tell you I'm the most uninteresting person offline.
Always your own people, man.
You're the punching bag?
She'll be like, let's do something. I'm like, oh, babe, like, what do you want to do? She wants me to have the ideas already to tell her. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. I tell her, if you want to do something with the kids, you plan all that, and I will go. I just don't have the mental bandwidth to think, let's take the kids to Chuck E. Cheese today. Like,
electric water guns, or look up this mini marshmallow guns. That's the most fun you can have all day with those things.
Okay.
It's just PVC and mini marshmallows, quarters PVC, and you just start hawking at each other. It's hilarious. Pretty fun.
Well, glad I did not go long because there's no momentum.
Mm-hmm.
So I looked for the long. I wanted the long, but we weren't having the continuation, so that's why I did not go long.
Yeah, it's just not grower's protocol.
Hopefully we get a nice big old pullback, a nice little waterfall real quick.
Remember, for around 11:30ish, 11:45, it starts moving again.
That's why I've been sitting here waiting, bro.
Yeah, we don't want to do the power hour, but we don't want the power hour.
Look at the 5 minute. How many candles do we have consolidated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Where's that
8,
there coming from?
9. We have 9 consolidating candles.
Yeah, straight up.
All right, we're below the 21 EMA. We're back into the 15-minute range. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly.
Comes down to 651. We're dropping.
This just formed a bearish S&P. Didn't make it go high on.
Look, it's not as choppy as before also, so that means the market's getting a little better. I think it's going to drop.
It's time to
It's
buy.
finally mitigating, yeah.
Time to buy.
Johan saying bye.
Because it's going down, but it's in the consolidation, so just buy.
I'm looking for a bear flag now. My eyes are looking for a nice solid bear flag.
I just took a solid 220 on that.
You're crushing it, bro. Get that payout. I gotta see that payout on Friday, sir.
I'm working
Yeah, honestly,
working on it.
anything over $50, anything over $50 is a win.
Yep.
Facts.
Listen, anything over $1, it's a win. $1 per click, you're still winning.
You're paying commissions. Come on, man.
That's true. You're right. Because that's crazy. Because last week on one of my trades, I closed out and I scratched on the trade, right? And I go in my journal said I had a loss. I'm like, what are you talking about? I didn't have a loss. I lost $22 because of the commissions.
Damn.
It was on 4 contracts. I was like, really?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Wow.
Damn, am I algorithm signal or what?
Yeah, this was.
That's crazy. I like this guy. He comes up with some good calls on here.
That's Johan, man.
Any more calls though?
Ule! Welcome, bro.
That's it.
Ule's in the chat. Just so
What up?
the boys know.
Yes, it is. Now it's gonna reverse.
We're watching the market do nothing currently, Ule. I'll be getting off here in a little bit because the market's done nothing for most of the entire session.
There it goes. Go back up. Going back up.
See you guys.
Yeah, it was just a liquidity grab, but maybe it'll get rejected. We have to watch these bearish order blocks.
I mean, ES is showing uptrend, so I would say
Yeah, honestly.
What was that, BP?
I was saying, I think Johan just left. But either way, hopefully, if you see him stream, peace out, man. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day, Johan. See you in like 2 weeks, brother.
Yeah, he said to you guys a little bit ago.
I gotta hit chest and tries today in the gym.
Go.
But I'm afraid. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I gotta be transparent. I'm slightly scared. The gym's gonna be so packed today.
Oh yeah.
I've been slacking so bad. I've been still doing like 100 push-ups every day. So.
Bro, I was just about gotta build your gyms at home. Like I got one.
Listen, I want to build a gym here, but my gym is going to be like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's gym, a big old warehouse outside of my backyard.
Yeah,
Like, I gotta have everything.
I've been doing Those tips every day as well.
I actually got to go to physical therapy at 1.
Oh man, what happened?
Torn bicep. Too much pickleball.
Oh, shit.
Pickleball?
Retired. Oh, retired old man games. Yeah.
Old man games.
Bro, right. Your knees ain't going out. That's the biggest thing with that game.
Man, that's it. Who says it's not? This is the only thing the doc prescribed for me. You'd be surprising how many muscle groups you're missing with a damn broomstick. I'm serious. You could do. There's these exercises that they use to measure your weakness and the resistance of your 2 hands holding a simple stick. That's the muscles that you need to strengthen to prevent these injuries.
Dang.
Yeah, there's ligaments under your muscles. It's insane.
I'm gonna do some more housework.
Yes.
Start sweeping.
That's for real. Mom be wondering why I be sweeping around her house so much.
I wonder
So-
why Johan wanted to go along, because the reason why I would go along is because of basically the 6-tap, but I wonder what he saw.
Well, he's been
Probably
trading for
all
8
time.
years as well, so
He's got his whole move habit.
Because if you were to mark out the high at 1056 and then the low at 11, that's basically your range, and then the inducement happened at 1106 and 1115. So it finally became to grab that liquidity, which it was showing market structure shifts, so I wasn't sure, but I was thinking it might do a fake out of this trend line.
Well, we got a new high now.
Exactly.
yep, new high.
Pushing through the force index. It's showing on my charts here. Money
Big
flow is
trust.
looking
Welcome,
big.
bro. Get it done. Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Just like the market today. Slow and steady.
Emphasis on the slow.
Yeah, mainly slow.
ES formed a pretty good little bull flag right there. Pushed up.
Like for me, I would target the pivot point above us, but I would honestly wait till the 700, see how we act here before trying to get those 10 points.
Back to the 700 range. Let's go.
Okay, we hit 701. It's almost 20 points of the order. That wasn't it, I guess.
Give me that pivot. Let's go. Come on. Hold on, bud. So close.
just hopped back onto the Zoom call just to see what everybody's up to because it was so quiet. And I was like, man.
Yeah, I'm in a trade right now. I'm getting ready to close it. I was targeting that. Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this one. If the bulls don't step in here, I'm closing. I was trying to target that pivot point.
I hop back in. I just see Duane just bobbing his head back and forth. And then just when you're human being, you know, stop. Oh, jeez.
I was holding, we had that 21 below us. So I was letting it run to that to see if we would push back up off of it. No. Getting ready to close out. Ah, gotta love it. Gotta love it. When you trade the chop, you get chopped. Oh well.
No.
And watch, now it's gonna push up. I already know what's about to happen.
Jumped in for a buy?
No, I did jump in for a buy because we had the pivot right above us, acting as a magnet. So I shouldn't have taken it, but I was targeting that pivot. It's the live trading, bro. The live trading.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that ends my streak. BP. BP.
No.
Well, that ends the streak in this account.
Okay, fair. You still, yeah, there's so many accounts, you still have a huge streak.
That ends the streak in that account.
To be fair, it's just that.
Huh? Well, I did fix the micro scalping.
Let's see how this 15
It's
goes.
true.
Hey, the prior 15 is a doji, though. Typically, you switch of direction. I think it's gonna come down. You gotta wait for it, but it might come down.
Well, on the 1 minute, you would be correct because right here, that's a bear flag. Hopefully tomorrow we get some better movement, but it's all good. We live to fight another day, thankfully.
Mm-hmm.
You guys hear me typing?
No.
Okay, good.
We're ready to report on us.
No.
I think tomorrow, Tuesdays and Wednesdays is better. The market's better. Monday, Fridays, Then we're coming on the 5. We're coming down. Oh, look at that stretch right there. Come on, stretch down. Calm down. Let me look at my hour.
Yeah, 12, I'll jump off here. I got to send some invoices out before going to the gym. And tomorrow, and what sucks right now, I'm so mad at myself. I stayed out the market so well today. I took the risk. I took that trade targeting. Didn't go my way, but now I got to post this in the community. So now I feel like I let myself down because now I gotta show a red day. Straight crazy.
No.
Straight
Hey,
crazy.
well, that's just being real because everybody has a red day.
No, I know that. But now I'm disappointed with myself.
I'm disappointed in myself as well because I had like 4 setups and I didn't take any of them.
But that's okay because you were trying to protect capital.
Yeah.
So that part's 100% okay because you were trying to protect capital and the market's not moving as clean today.
Yeah, I was looking just to hit my 1 and be done. So that's why I was like, this could be the setup, but wait. And then I was like, no, this one looks good, but wait. And too patient, I guess. I should have just said screw it or just downsized today a little bit. And if I took a loss, then I could have took another trade for it to still be a green day.
I should have closed out when I was like right at break even, but you know my saying, boys, it's either we win or we lose. We don't break even.
I made a little 360 right there on that dip, on that little route.
Let's go, G.
Heck yeah, man.
Well, now in this account, I had to put in the $1,000 I just lost today by Friday to take a payout. So that'll be easy to do.
791 currently.
Y'all crushing it.
Come on, yes, you need to drop more or else you're going to form a bullish S&P.
Back in this 15-minute range.
I totally forgot to draw that one.
We're gonna go through both sides 15-minute range for the bottom side too, because that'd be dope.
Well, we haven't even tested the low side of this 15-minute range.
Oh, we also hopefully just, got some momentum and just, what that? Very dope.
ES has just been running up. It broke out of the 15-minute word at like 10:21. And you just being a freaking stubborn jerk today.
And we're going down. Oh, you will? Oh.
Just another orb retest and dump and retest and dump.
Currently, the low on ES is higher than the low on NQ. It's ultimately lower low. So it would, if it's bearish, then you would push lower for sure. But it's only become bullish again, it might want to swing. Like no fair value gap entries to look at either.
I was gonna say, I got nothing popping up on my side over here.
Well, I'm done trading my fundeds.
Just start
100 and some change in one, negative 1,000 in the other. But that's how I trade. I'm willing to risk 1,000 per trade. So
Just started the lunch hour. My yellow box showing up.
not going to touch my other fundeds. But I did switch over to this 150K eval that I got to put actually $2,000 in because I made too much money in it. So we're going to see if we keep coming down, take a short here. 4 contracts deep. We're going to keep moving. No risk, no Rari. You know what I'm saying? Like, living by it.
I get that right.
That's so true.
But I don't like that buying wick, but we'll see.
Just started the RPM session.
Yeah, I got my yellow box. My indicator popped up.
Yeah, mine takes 3 candles and then it pops up.
like I'm like trading like glow in the dark. Things glowing yellow.
Are we about to get a bear flag to waterfall us down to the middle of this 15-minute range? We got the VWAP down there as well below the middle of the 15-minute range.
That would be amazing. The song is relaxing.
Yeah.
I need to
felt
relax
like
after
bopping
losing
in my head.
a stack today.
Time to go harder at the gym.
No, that doesn't do it for me.
Oh.
When I first like it would motivate me in the gym. Now it's like it is what it is.
He's over it.
Like, it is what it is. That's why I have so many funded accounts where if I do take an L on a trade, I really don't care because I have multiple accounts. That's why I don't copy trade.
Yeah, I was about to say, like, yo, today would not be that day for copy trading.
If we break through this yellow line, full port strawberries. Not full port, only 4 contracts.
I've been running 2 contracts this morning.
I've been running for basically like 2 as well.
There's a yellow line tab. Let's get through it.
You can do it. You can do it.
I just want to make sure that it's going to be heavy. If it's heavy, we're set. If we're not heavy, we're not set.
That looks like it could be.
Uniform reversals being moving slow.
You close underneath it yet? Oh. Got motion. Oh my god.
Come on. Take me lower, baby. Take daddy lower.
What you say?
No, I'm talking to myself.
Oh, I thought somebody else said something.
No.
Wait, whenever I speak, is it pretty low?
It varies. You sound like you're in a cockpit.
I still sound like that? That's funny.
Yeah.
I can get real close to the mic.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna mention. I think it's your distance and how close you are, as far away you are. There's just a even clearer, distant voice. Okay, the little husband son.
How freaking far does it even want to go? You already took New York High. guess it really still might want. I don't know.
Just take New York lows. That's what we should aim for.
Yeah, that's what we should be aiming for. All the people who are still aiming for that Friday high can aim by themselves.
Attached to that orb, man. I don't know.
Let's waterfall. Let's waterfall.
Yeah, it would be nice if it keeps pushing. It shows that we have some sell side over at 638.
I need it to break like right here. I got out. I do not like how that just popped up. Man, now is the time to walk away. Yo, I'm not trading funded accounts right now. We are not trading funded accounts, bro. Yeah, these are not funded accounts. I appreciate your concern for me, though. He's like, man, now it's time to walk away. Trying to see if I can put $2,000 in this account real quick. So this 150K account would be fully passed. Gotta love it. Gotta love how choppy and bad the market's been today.
I made a quick 290 on that trade, too.
Go ahead, boy.
I got out the same time you got out. I was like, man, this shit doesn't want to. That whole time I was quiet, I'm sitting there looking at it.
Were you praying baby Jesus too? Please, baby Jesus.
Now look what it's doing. Damn. I don't even want to bring out my funded, man.
Yo, I'm not trading fundeds in this. Live to fight another day in fundeds. Evals, we can play around with. But fundeds, no, that's how we make money.
Yeah, I've literally skipped out so many trades. Just stuck to preservation today.
Yeah, I mean what I can.
You did good. Good job, man.
I'm good with it. I made 90 on my take profit and 360 on my lucid trading.
Solid. That's solid.
That is. And it sounds like you took some solid base hits, man.
Yeah.
Base hits. That's what gets you there. At the end of the day, that's how you get payouts, people. If you're not doing base hits, you will never see an actual payout. Or you may get one payout because you got lucky, and then you won't get payouts consistently. The whole thing for trading, you have to be consistent with it. That's the only way you actually get the results you truly want. What am I just say? Sigma. Nothing like listening to a four-year-old talking to his siblings.
I hate looking at bearish setups in a bullish market, but
It happens, bro. It happens.
yeah, I know. I was looking at this one right now, and it would want to sweep price at 672, and probably mitigate up to somewhere between 685, and then maybe push lower. That's at least what this setup looks like to me. But yeah, it's bad to want to take a bearish setup in a bullish market.
Well, it happens to all of us. I tried shorting. I did.
Pullbacks are definitely valid. It's just that big pullback like already just happened. So it's like for me to want to take another big pullback just makes me feel like it might not happen.
Well, from your list to God's ears, it does. Is this going to put me in the green? Let's see. Come on, Bertha. It's not Betsy anymore. It's
so
Bertha.
If this does play out, your entry is around where the take profit area is.
That's not good.
So you kind of want it to keep flooding if it's going to keep going.
Yeah, I need the follow through. Bertha, please give me follow through. Looking at that 5 minute, that looks like that's a dirty bear flag. It's a dirty bear flag. We either need a swipe like now, or else I'll just close. Let's see. Are we going to swipe? Are we going to swipe? Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy, I feel. Take me to the promised land. They just need to have a little bit more push right here. Because we clear that wick, it's coming down. Oh no! Stupid Duane. I accidentally closed. I was not trying to close. I thought I had my mouse over here. So stupid. So stupid. I'm acting like I just had a massive loss of like $200, by the way. But still.
that was a really good distribution back to that entry point. Hopefully, well, you said you exited, right?
Yeah, by accident. But I'm back in now.
Usually, I mean, I had that sell side that was still in mind at that 638, so hopefully we can move down to there.
Yeah, it's looking heavy. We just gotta get through the right where we're at.
It looks like people are hopefully respecting this bearish gap that just formed, because it looks like it's kind of bouncing down.
Come on, Bertha. Give it to me.
Yeah, we're like 12 points away from that liquidity, but you also have equal lows right now as well that just formed at 40 degrees. So hopefully
Bertha wants to give it to me. I can feel it. And we just gotta swipe like right down here.
All right, that's first liquidity tag, and then the next one's 38. Kind of a strong reaction. Get a full flush.
I want the full flush.
Yeah, because there was two sell points in here. One was at 40 and the other one was at 38.
And the way that the market's holding right here, I don't like that.
Yeah, it just tagged into that sell sign, so hopefully it just flushes though, because otherwise we could get like a stronger reaction.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
I think if we want to go after any show right, you guys, it's safe to look at ES right now.
Come on, Betsy, give it to me already. Give me 1,000 on this account right here. There's 1,000.
There's the flush. That's the full flush, and then hopefully it might keep going. We just made it through the sell side.
I say possibly all the way down to the VWAP. I'm a wild man. Come on, Bertha. Waterfall, baby. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl.
I'm in that same trade too, Dwayne.
Nice one.
I'm in that same. Let's go. Come on, keep going down. You know you want to get below the 30s.
It's trying to stall right here.
You have no way to set a like a stop in profit.
I could. But what's the fun of that, BP? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's the fun of that, bro?
Keep going.
True. Here's your van today, though, brother.
Oh.
Pushing.
What you gonna do?
It's about to give me $2,500. That's what it's about to do.
Ooh. Is it gonna go lower? Lower?
Super heavy right now.
Oh.
Super heavy. Super heavy.
Oh.
I'm feeling the VWAP. I feel the VWAP's calling, boys.
Oh.
I feel like the VWAP's calling.
Oh man, that's a lot of rejection.
Oh. Woo.
Gotta get out.
I'm eyes on the
That
Rincos.
was really good. That was a really good push down.
Eyes are on the Rincos. So as soon as I see the momentum slightly shift to the upside, I'll close out. But eyes are on the Rincos. This is how I time my entries and exits. It's still heavy for the eyes right now. That's why I have not closed out yet.
How much did you need to pass it, Dwayne?
I need a little bit more because I had that one loss on this one.
True.
So there we go. That's the $2,000 in the green. Gang.
571.
Let me see if I got it, boys. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone.
Right now.
I'm good now.
Ooh, did I get it? 161,308. Let me jump into my Tradeify to see if that just made it happen for us.
Hey.
Profit target that I had to hit. I already hit the $9,000, but I needed 11,212 for the 40% consistency. Did I get it?
Hey, Dwayne.
Done! We did it, boys! We did it!
Dude, congratulations.
Awesome.
Well,
And it's still heavy. It's
still going, huh?
Nice work, boys. Nice work.
there we go.
You're welcome on the call.
Yeah.
Did anybody enter that sweep that I was talking about?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no way.
I made 1440.
Oh, W, bro.
Nice work.
Big trust. I told you, bro. Band today keeps the bills away. Well, that actually technically would make me green on the day, but I'm still counting today as a loss because I had that one bad trade in the funded. I don't really think of the evals as a green day. You know what I'm saying? What? It is what it is. So pretty much broke even today, technically. But this was another bear flag printing. Another bear flag printing here on the 2-minute. Bear flag right there.
I am done trading. I'm good for tomorrow.
Well, I'm super excited and stoked for tomorrow because tomorrow your boy will be trading this freshly funded 150K account where I'll be only trading 4 to 8 contracts per trade. Big trust for all the Zoom calls. It's you click the live trading link and the link's right there. Glad I stayed a little bit longer with the team today. Not going front. For all the people on YouTube, appreciate you guys hanging out with us, vibing, everything like that. Tonight we got the traders hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to talk about how we traded today. Talk about the charts because we will have the overnight sessions pulled up, and we'll talk about life as well, and everything in between. So, Dylan, appreciate it, bro. BP told me to go long. I said I'm not going long. Full port short.
Absolutely not. I was not saying that. I was saying that we have a bearish formation and a bullish market. I don't know if I should take it.
No, but I was feeling that the entire time as well. I just take it.
Wait, check your phone.
Check my phone. You texting me or?
I just touched it.
Hey, go ahead. Moose just got a brand new funded account this year. The community's funded and getting payouts. That's all I know.
Nice work, man. Nice work.
Thank you.
Teamwork makes the dream work, people. I'm here for the long haul. Y'all already know that.
I'm gonna try to get another account as well because this way you have multiples. Doing. How do I do this thing again?
How do you do what?
How do I do this?
Don't know what you're trying to do right now.
You know. What if I always have a problem with?
Upload it.
You know?
my bad, bro. My bad. I forgot you're older than me sometimes. Moose makes me feel like a young man, people. Makes me feel like a young man. Dylan, you're good, bro. You're good. We know in spirit you're in the Zoom call with us. All right. Malachi, no for future. Don't use my horse's name when saying come on. My bad. My bad. But today was a blah day for me. I'll do my live market recap with you guys right now. Today was a blah day. We went up. We're coming back down. Market's really not moving quickly with momentum, which I need to trade. But we did get a new funded account today. Put money in one of the fundeds. Lost the grand in the other funded. Slightly disappointed. But now I'll put that grand back within the next couple days here. And just honestly just take a payout on Friday from 3 of my fundeds. And then next Monday, I'll take a payout on this new 150K account. I just got funded today. So we're moving in the right direction. I called out that other bear flag. I have a rule. If I take a bad trade in one of my accounts, I don't clean it up. But this market's printing bear flags right now. So it's tempting to clean it up, but I'm not going to.
I'm trying to make some bear money.
All right.
I'm in one right now. I'm in one right now.
All right, guys. Well, I'm getting off as well. So all you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see most of you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout. If I don't, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Nothing but love and happiness to everybody. Be safe in the markets. And don't do what I do. That's it. Much love, people.
Keep going down, man. Keep going down, man. 4:30.
For the YouTube, appreciate you guys hanging out with us. We stream longer than normal. Just taking what the market gave us. Tonight, traders hang out once again, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. I will see you guys tonight for the Legacy fam on the streams. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. I'll check you guys tonight. Be blessed, everyone.